Well, this that noise is making. It's coming from that cylinder right there. I don't know. It plus it's leaking. This would be new. So I don't know what's up. The cars are even on. You can hear the noise. I'm gonna show you. The car's not even on. The key just in the on position. It is doing that. The car's not even on. To the car. You don't do it this time. To the car. You don't do it. You don't do it. It's like, I don't know. I think that's something to shift bad. Well, I don't know. I think I pretty much said no.